What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. Today we will be working on the Lexus Is300 and today we will be installing a street faction engineering crash bar. And since my car doesn't have one, and I mean just in case ever in an accident, who knows, it's just better to have one, and also it gives it a cool little look as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we're working with. So here is the bash bar. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it and get it reviewed. Here's the bash bar, nice and revealed. Has a nice coat on it. Try to get it in a better light. It has like a nice real coat to it. It's pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be bare metal. I'm over here scratching the shit out of it with a razor blade. A couple scratches, but it's okay, you can barely see them. Yeah, let's go ahead and install this bad boy. Pretty simple. All you pretty much got to do is take off your front bumper and take off your front core support or whatever. It's like a little crash bar. There you go. It's a crash bar. So there's gonna be a little crash bar. You unbolt. It's gonna be a couple bolts. I think mine is missing, if I remember correctly, so this is a lot different. Also, this is an aftermarket bumper, so mine is a lot different than yours, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off really quick. So I got my bumper off, and now I have my front core support mocked up. So like I said, mine did not have mine, so I think it just should be a nut and 3 bolts on each side to get your stock one off. But yeah, and here's this one on. Looks pretty cool. I am digging it. So yeah, this is just protection in case you get into an accident. Found some hardware to go with it, so now I'm gonna go ahead and slap it on. So there's pretty much it right there. Got my flashlight, but it's kind of dying. But yeah, there you go. That's pretty much it. This is a pretty short video and a pretty easy install. Pretty much just take off your bumper, take off the stock crash bar, and pretty much just put this puppy in and tighten it up and put your bumper back on. You should be good to go. I did cut this stud a little bit. So the stud that right here, I did cut it because it was hitting the bar. So I did go ahead and cut it, and I didn't put a nut on there either. It should be fine like that. Same on that side, but yeah. This is the Street Faction Engineering crash bar. And I mean, you can get this if yours is missing, or like if you have a aftermarket bumper that doesn't clear your stock crash bar, you can get this, and this is pretty clear. This thing will help it clear it basically, so it won't be hitting the bumper. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my bumper back on and call it good. This is kind of what it looks like with the hood closed. Looks pretty cool. Kind of like it. Sorry about my lighting. It really sucks right here. If it was pushed a little far back where the lights were, it'd be a lot good, but over here just pure darkness. Alright, so I went ahead and already put my bumper back on. I did go ahead and put my fog lights back on as well because those were off, and it just gives it a different look. Honestly, it just gives it a little bit of a better look. I am digging it. But here you go. Here's my bumper back on, and here's the bar with my bumper. You kind of see it exposed right here. You can see it right under. I think with the OEM one though, it would be pretty much behind it, like right there. But mine is aftermarket, so it is a little different than other ones or OEM ones. But yeah, there you go. That's how it looks like. So that's pretty much it for this video. Pretty easy install, really quick video. Not really much to say. I mean, just an aftermarket crash bar if you have a different style bumper that your OEM one doesn't fit with. Just options out there basically. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope I was lots of help, and I hope you guys stick around for more content. But thank you guys so much for watching, and stay progressive.